Okay, right. So as we move into the next part of the topic, we're gonna look into sector, right? So previously we have a very simple equation is x equal to r theta. This is for the perimeter, sorry, no, the circumference, okay, the length of the arc. Okay, now we have something to do with area. And again, let's just try to recall back what is the formula for area. In a typical sentence, we should have, typical pi r squared. This is a very famous formula for, area. And I think, again, let's just try to remind over here. Area, right? Sorry, no, pi. If you actually convert it to radian, remember pi radian? Yes, it is supposed to represent 180 degree. This is radian. If you convert it to degree, it will give you 180 degree. That's what's supposed to happen, right? This is pi r squared. So essentially, you can also think about it this way. Basically, yes, I'm basically just having my pi, right? I'm just having my pi as a constant over here, right? So essentially what happened is that I know that area and r squared is actually a ratio of pi, which is a ratio of 180 degree. And let's see how can that benefit us. Because if you see, when I go into a sector, they have a special angle. So what do we do usually? Yeah, we will do a equal to theta over 360 over 360, and then you multiply with the pi r squared. Now here's the thing. People think this is too confusing, this is too mafan, too troublesome to do. So what do? Yes, they again get reminded of the angle of pi. They again get reminded that, remember, pi is actually 180 degree. Or, in other way, you can also say 360 is actually 2 pi. So what happened here? We see that this pi and the angle can actually be related. So because of that, I can rewrite the equation like this, which actually it effectively cancel out my pi. I'm left with half theta r squared. And with that, we got our formula. This is a formula for area of a circle. Yes, the sector or the circle, whatever. Yes, it will be half theta r squared. And again, I think as usual, you should know r is radius law, right? And then the theta will be the angle. Always in this chapter, every formula, remember in this chapter, every formula should be in, yes, should be in radian. That's the very, very basic over here. Okay, yep. I think with that, let's try to go through some exercise over here. Yes. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I think let's go to some exercise over here. We start from here. Okay, this is a textbook question 7, example 7. Okay, cool. Let's see. So what happened here? Okay, let me get my calculator. So yeah, so I think again, like I said, it should be very simple. You just have to really, really just apply the formula. So I think this one, if you really can, you can actually just skip this part. Yeah, so I think it should be very simple. Half theta r square, half 1.712 square. Okay, you should get. Oh, my calculator is having no battery. Oops. Okay, I can't get it on. It's okay. I'll just use the answer from my textbook. Essentially, so yeah, it should be, yes, very simple. 122.4 cm squared. Okay. Similarly, this one again, like I said, it should be very, very simple. Half theta r square, half 2.28 square. This should be 70.40 cm square. Okay, last one maybe a bit hard, but again, don't worry. Everything just, again, whenever you are not sure, just do it in the degree first. Do it in degree first, and then convert to radian. So again, you can see you have to find this angle, right? Essentially, so this angle, the reflex angle of MON is gonna be 360 minus 124. This is typically how you do a reflex angle, right? Okay, the total minus the half you have, then you get 236. Right, then again, like I said, always, we don't work with degree. We always want to, before you put into the formula, again, it's about the formula, because formula says radian. So before you put into formula, you have to convert it to radian. So you can convert here, you can convert, again, it should be very simple, convert to pi. Yes, again, pi, I think is given 3.142. Yep, then you get 4.12 radian. Okay, then moving on, what do you do? Yes, basically, again, typically plug in the formula. Half theta r squared. Then you will get the answer, which is 206 cm squared. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool. You can feel free to pause if you need to. Next one. I think, again, this should be quite simple. Okay, for now. Yep. Next question. Okay, again, I hope we can go fast. Okay, yep. Next one, we have, yes, what is this? Okay, so again, there's again, typically theta and radian, and then you have area. So again, remember the area formula, half theta r squared. So if the value of r, you want to find this, and you know that this is 35, right? And then you want to find value of r, you know that theta is this, so yeah, just look for r squared, correct? Just look for r squared. Okay, yeah. So again, I can't have my calculator, but it's okay. Yes, r squared is gonna be 100. And again, always remember, when you solve for r squared, right, when you solve for something squared, you will always get plus minus, because there is a square root. Okay, then you get plus 10 minus 10. Again, of course, we reject 10. We reject the negative 10. We can't have a negative 10 radius, so the answer would then be positive 10 cm. Okay, next one, again, similarly, 35 equal to half r squared theta. Yes, oh, actually, this is a better way to put the formula. Okay, yeah, okay, this is actually my normal way. Okay, sure. Anyway, it doesn't matter, same thing. Half r squared theta. Okay, cool. Half r squared theta, half r squared is this, and then theta. Again, very simple, just solve for theta literally. So, yeah, theta is 0.5785 radian. Okay, that's it. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. We have again, I think it should be quite simple. Okay, half r squared theta, half 6 square 1.1. This is, again, I'm just again, I can't have my answer. I can't have my calculator working, so I'm just gonna put the answer quickly. Again, you can check your answer yourself also, like, if you want to. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, where is this? Where is this? Where is this? 1.5. Okay, hold on one moment. Yeah. Anyway, so uh, uh okay, yeah, 19.8. Again, it should be really simple. This one also. Before that, did I use cm square for my previous answer? Good question. Okay, yeah, I did. Cm square, cm square. Okay, I think, again, unit doesn't matter actually. SPN don't care lah. But yeah, you can do unit if you want. Just make sure you write the correct one. Okay, don't use the wrong one. Okay, cool. Yeah. So yes, again, half r squared theta. So half r squared. Just put a number in. This one really simple. Just plug the formula. Should be not hard. Okay, next one. Okay, this one a bit hard because you need to remember that how do you find the angle, right? How to find the angle. Again, if you feel confusing, please just convert it to degree first. Convert to degree. And you do degree, and then you come back to radian. Also can, just a bit longer lah. But again, if you remember, you should know that yes, the whole thing is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus off the whatever pi over here, then you get this pi. Then again, very simple, half r squared theta. So half phi square 1.047. Then answer is 13.09. Okay, yes. Last but not least, also very simple, just convert. Again, remember, always use the formula in radian. So no matter what you do, you have to always convert to radian. We cannot leave anything in degree. Okay, so convert to radian. Then we get 2.357 radian. Then yeah, again, same thing lah. 12 half r squared theta, so half 20 square 2.357. Okay, this should give you 471.4. Okay, that's it for this one. Again, I hope so far should be simple. It's really just plugging in the formula. If you have the formula with you, if you remember the formula, if you have the formula sheet, yeah, it should be really straightforward. Okay, next question. Okay, a sector in radius of 5 cm perimeter. Okay, yeah, I think not hard. So basically, okay, maybe a bit hard. It's okay. So basically, you have a sector. This is a sector. Radius 5 cm, radius 5 cm. Perimeter is a whole thing. Perimeter is a whole thing is 16. So what happened here? You just have to find, first of all, this is your S lah, right? You have 5 and 5 and this. So you can find S first. Perimeter is 16, right? So that means S is 6. And with that, what do you find next? Area of the sector. Area is half r squared theta. Do we have r? Yes, we have r as already given, but we don't have theta. How do you find theta? Yes, we have to find from the information given. Again, you should remember the formula of S equal to r theta. So 6 equal to r 5 theta. Okay, so because of that theta would be 6 over 5. And you can use this now, come back over here, you then can do half r squared theta, 5 squared theta. Then you get the answer 195. Okay, yeah, that's it. Again, if too fast, let me know. You can pause the video or whatever. You can comment to me also. Okay, cool. Next one. Okay, 2 more questions. Yes. Okay, next one. What is this? Yes. Where's my question? Okay, cool. Yep. Value of r once again should be simple because this says this is an area of 195. So you just have to do 195 equal to half r squared theta. R squared is not known. and theta is 3.9. So yeah, just solve for r square is 100. Again, r equal to plus minus 10, or you can say 10 and minus 10, but of course we're gonna reject the negative 10. Okay, cool. Then EF, the measure arc, right? Again, remember what is arc? Arc is the length. Arc is the perimeter. Is the 长度, is the length over here. So the arc over here also very simple. S equal to r theta. So just literally just put r theta like that, 39 cm. Okay. Last but not least, the perimeter also very simple lah. Okay. Just do 10 plus 10 plus. Again, the arc 39. This is your perimeter. Right. That's it. So 59. Okay. Cool. Last question. Again, if you feel fast, just feel free to pause to copy or whatever, because again, I think these questions are simple, so I go a little bit faster. Okay, cool. But yeah, anyway, so let's go to the next question. Okay, once again, it should be very simple. Like I said, it given to you everything already. Area equal to half r square theta, so 60 equal to half 10 square theta. Solve for theta. Theta is 1.2. Then what do? Yes, B arc length. Again, arc length is VW. S equal to r theta. So 1.2 times radius 10. So 12. Then finally, perimeter also very simple. Perimeter just add up all the lines. So radius plus the length. 10 plus 10 plus the length. 12. So 32 cm. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool. That's it for question 4. Let me know if any issue. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this part of the video. Okay.